Hey guys, before I start off this video, I just want to make sure you guys know that I do have an Instagram. It's at MCPanda, so if you could go follow it, that would be awesome. I just post renders, I post random stuff about Minecraft, but also be sure to follow Bart Pro because this guy can make insane renders. So if you're not followed him already, and he's not at 100 followers yet, be sure to follow him, DM him for a render request, and he'll give it to you for absolutely free and no watermark. So I hope I didn't interrupt you for too long, and let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be telling you how you can make a custom thumbnail. Pretty awesome. It's how I do all of mine. They may not look epic, but they are a way to do them pretty fast. So you're just probably going to want an image. I'm going to use one of these, maybe this one. And I'm gonna make like a thumbnail, and then the app you're gonna want is called Fonto. So it's absolutely free. It doesn't take that much space actually. So you just press on Fonto, and look, I made a banner. It's pretty lit. But so what you're gonna wanna do is go to photo albums and choose the photo you want to make a thumbnail on. And I'm gonna choose this one, and I'll just do. Now I'll keep it regular. And then so you can go add text and be like, Paul and I kicking some zombie butt. Align center and done. Then you can change the size, big, small. I'm gonna keep it right there. You can go to style, change the color. I'm gonna make it red. You can make the background blue, light blue, whatever you want. And you don't even need a background. Honestly, I think it's better. But in this case, since the image is kind of small, you don't exactly need a background. You can also change how the word looks, shadow and stuff. You can make the spacing huge or extremely small. You can also it's just kind of cool. You can underline it, but I'm not going to because then you need a different kind of style. So I'll just put this right there, and I'll make it a little smaller, and then I can add text here, and I can add an emoji like this one. I can make it big, and one of the cool things about this app is that you can tilt it. Pretty much. So I'll just put this right here, and then here I will put I can go to symbol and I can put this right here. And then look, this is an arrow, but you can curve. You can't curve the symbols because they're a picture basically, but you can tilt in any direction. And like that. You can add more emojis. Right here. And it's actually pretty cool. And all I have to do is just save image, and it says save successfully. And then there you go. You have a thumbnail right there. That looks pretty cool. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see all of these thumbnails. I made all of these thumbnails with the app Fonto. So if you're just starting off a YouTube channel and you want some pretty cool thumbnails and you don't want to steal them from other people, just go ahead and install Fonto and make your own thumbnail today. It's really awesome, and this isn't sponsored or anything, because yeah, that would be kind of bad. Anyway, so yeah.
Leave a like if you enjoyed this video.